Tim wrote a different integer from 1 to 9 in each cell of a table. He then calculated the sum of the integers in each of the rows and in each of the columns of the table. 5 of his answers were 12, 13, 15, 16, and 17 in some order. What was his sixth answer? So in this question, the totals of the rows or columns, it can go any way around, it doesn't matter. So that's the key thing here, is that you could have this as 12, 13, and 15, 16, 17, and this you don't know. Whichever way you go, even you could have it in any way. You could have, or you could have the total as this one was 12, this one was 13, or 15, 16, 17, and maybe you don't know the top total. So it doesn't matter. So whatever the total is, you see the numbers inside. It could be 1 to 9. Obviously, each cell has a number. So the 13, we could write it as, say, 1 plus 5, that's 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. And when it is 16, 7 plus 9 is 16. I have to write 2 digits, so I could write 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 3 is 16. So you notice when you do that, this digit 7 is being counted twice. Once it is counted as a part of the column total, and once it is counted as part of the row total. So in similar way, each of these digits are being counted twice. So what would happen is, now you know that the sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 9 is 45. So if each digit was counted twice, the sum of these digits would be 45 times 2, and that would be 90. And what would happen is, this 90 would equal the sum of these numbers, because they are the total of the rows and the columns. So we can write 90 and equals 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 and plus x. X is what you don't know, the question mark. So the total that we want to find out, or we don't know. So we can say that x equals 90 minus this total would be 73, and that would be 17. X equals 17. So that's in a sense how we proceed with this question. That's what I did here. So I wrote down that if you have these as the totals, and suppose the totals for the columns are as shown, and here 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12, and also 7 plus 3 plus 6 is 16, and each digit in the cells are added twice. So once is a column total and once is a row total. So here again the 7 is added twice. So sum of the numbers from 1 to 9 is 45. Each number counted twice means the sum should be 45 times 2, 90. So 90 would then equal 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus x. X is the missing total, or the sixth answer that we have to find out, and that gives us x equals 17, and 17 is his sixth answer.